Hey there mga my loves Aquarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po. So yun nga na bago natin simulan ng reading na to for you guys, let me just greet everybody. No? Hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome, welcome. At sa returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, our content for today is we're gonna take a look at your love month or your February 2024 reading. So yeah, mga babes, no, let's go ahead and check this out. But before that, no, reminders that this is not for everybody. So just take only what resonates with you. We also do not have any gender here. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, crosswatchers, you're all welcome. You can flip roles if you want. Of course, you can do that. But at the end of the day, you still have your free will, okay? No, pwede mo yung gamitin anytime. Okay? So yeah, let's shuffle these two decks first before we, start talking about this mga kaganapan or mga posibleng maging events for you guys. Whispers and Angel guys, this is for Aquarius. Aquarius this February 2024. Messages for them, please. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, for being present here in this reading. Thank you so much, Birds and Angel guys. Thank you so much. Aquarius, February 2024, please. Aquarius. I don't know, I'm hearing that song, no? Yung song na, ibig kong malaman mo, hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, ang pangarap ko ay iyo. Pangarap pa nga ako, no? Medyo malabo kasi dun sa part na yun, no? Ang aking buhay. I know that song eh. Yun, di ba? Ang aking buhay, hanggat ang dugo ko ay... Yun. So maybe you have heard that recently. Or baka team song nyo yan with someone. Habang may buhay, hanggat ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang iaalam. Ay, bongga. Ibig sabihin, someone here feels a lot of love for you guys, no? Okay, let's make shuffle this as well, no? Let's make shuffle. Let's shuffle this as well. Spirits and angel guides, tell me more. Aquarius. Aquarius. Okay. So let's see. First energy we've got here for ya, my love, is this star. Wow. Wish fulfillment right here, no? Or this is you, no? Na yung wish fulfillment na yan ay talagang binuhusan mo rito ng aksyon, tiwala, paniniwala, pananampalataya, kasabay na rin ang gawa. So, ibig sabihin, no, panalangin kasabay ang aksyon. Nakita ko rito na mukhang noon mo pa yan, mga babes, no? Ang gustong makamit, makuha, or ma-receive, no? It could be happening this February 2024. Yeah! So, wish fulfillment is coming here. Dreams are about to come true. Okay? And this is something here na parang pinangako mo sa sarili mo na kahit anong mangyari, tutuparin mo yan at matutupad yan. Bongga guys, no? Tuloy mo yan, Aquarius. Nalatagyan mo na natin lahat. You also have here the Emperor. Wow! The Sun! The star, the emperor, and the sun. Everything is aligning here, mga babes, no? Yan ay simula na katuparan ng mga wish mo. Yung iba nakikita ko rito na bahay yan. You will have that. I'm seeing you signing the contract here. Yung iba, love life yan. Yung commitment na hinahanap mo. Yung klase ng love that you're craving for, Aquarius. It's coming. You're about to meet here someone special. Maybe this February 2024 here. A lot of happiness. A lot of abundance, a lot of prosperity coming your way. Wow, see? And this is that start of something new. It feels so right. Yan, no, bongga. Are you just kidding me? Aquarius, what's happening here, my love? The star is aligning. You're about to meet your divine counterpart right here. Promise ni universe na makikilala mo na siya this year. Yung iba nga sa inyo, February talaga yan. With the Empress right here. Perfect! Aquarius, you've got the Empress and the Emperor. You could be dealing with the Taurus, but doesn't have to be. You could be dealing with any zodiac sign. Pero kasi you might want to watch Taurus because they've got this as well. Na maaaring makakuha kayo ng other information dyan, no? Taurus, February 2024 reading. Okay? You may want to, dumaan doon, no? And watch it. Okay? Kasi baka makaresonate rin kayo doon. But look at that. Stars are aligning here para ma-meet mo na ang iyong the one kung hindi mo pa siya nami-meet, no? At yung iba sa inyo kung na-meet mo na siya na strongly rito, nakitang-kita mo na talagang siya yung para sa'yo. It's like you're realizing more, no? Na yung person na yan is talagang meant to be kayo, no? Ng person kung kakunik mo na siya ngayon, no? Alam mo na siya talaga yung para sa'yo. Ang daming major arcanas, no? Sunod-sunod rito, mga mahal, no? So talagang ito yung klase ng pag-iibigan, no? Kaya pala ganun ka-strong yung kanta na kuha natin sa umpisa, no? Hanggat ang dugo niya ay dumadaloy sa kanyang mga veins, minamahal ka niya, no? Ang kanyang buhay ay iaalay. Ang bongga! This person is willing to die for you. This person is willing to do everything for you. And I do see na ikaw ay ganun din at magiging ganun din sa kanya. OMG! A lot of money is coming to your way right here. And you are power couple. Sama kayo sa isang business or sa isang negosyo, lalago ito. Walang hesitation. Lalago ito, no? At yan ang magiging katuparan ng pag-angat ng buhay nyo, no? Successful kayo ngayon, no? Or kung hindi pa, nararamdaman mo na magiging successful ka kasi it's about to happen and your partner will also ganun din ang pagdadaanan niyang tadhana, no? And when you meet up, no? Or kung na-meet mo na siya, makikita at marirealize mo dito that this person is the one for you, no? A lot of success sa inyong financial na nakikita ko rito, no? At parehas yung gustong ilaban yung happiness na to, no? Yung happiness na may kasama ritong commitment, hindi lang sa mga love na usapan, no? Kundi talagang sense of responsibility. This person will take care of you right here and this person will always be by your side. Nine of Cups, look at that, no? Dito kasi yan ilalagay ko, wish fulfillment! Not just one. Tuloy-tuloy na yan mga babes, no? At meron ka dyan kasing hard work na sinasali yan, no? Effort, no? Kasama kasi dito yung hindi mo lang yan basta winish, kundi gumagawa ka rin ng action dyan, ang bongga. Universe right here is giving you this type of energy, no? With the Queen of Cups, I do pick up, no? That the universe right here really connects to you, sending you messages together with the High Priestess, no? The message is really stronger right here. There's this wish coming into your life wherein start na yon ng pagtupad ng lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Ano man yan, babe? Because these are lots, no? And you're putting the hard work here and it's coming in fast. This is unexpected. Maganda to kasi surprise. Magugulat ka talaga na yung mga pangarap mo ay nagsisimula ng matupad. Bongga. Dati mo lang yung mga babes na pinangako sa sarili mo na darating yung araw na makukuha at makakamtan mo yan. Pero ito na. Because you believe and you put in the work, talagang ipagkakaloob yun sa'yo. Okay? Wow. So, ilatag na rin natin to para pag-usapan pa natin more. Anong ginagawa nyo? I'm seeing here new connections with other people and it will also bring growth to you. They will bring abundance into your life, no? Mga bago yung katrabaho, bago mga kaibigan, no? Na talaga nakikita ko rito maaasahan sila. Mga bagong supporter right here. King of Swords is also present here. I'm seeing two kings already, no? Others of you, this could be options. Not just in love, pero iba pwede meron kayong options dito na maging love. Yung isa is yung nag-cut sa buhay ninyo or kinat off nyo sa buhay ninyo sa probably an ex. Pero doesn't have to be na ex lang yan. No? Pwede kasing yung two kings dito is the symbol of two options when it comes to your offer, no? Pagdating dito sa finances or money-related things. No? Pwedeng to offer sa work or to offer dito sa job or may kinalaman sa way of earning a living mo. Yeah, see? I'm picking up also two queens here. So did see definitely, no? You will really have options here. And this will create more confidence sa'yo. Yeah, look at that. Kung hindi mo pa nakikilala ang ayong the one, no, you will definitely meet that person here. Three of Cups, Two of Cups, no? Bagong connection yan. Fresh, no? Bagong ahon, no? Sa loob ng palanggana. Ang gulay, no? Ganun na ganun ka-fresh mga babes, no? So, nakita ko dito na meet mo na ang iyo ritong the one through this new connection. Isa na siya ron, no? Sa makakatuwang mo rito. And I'm seeing difference in colors. You've waited for this person here for too long, but now this person here is coming towards you, no? And this person here is giving me the vibe, no? Na para siya ritong knight in shining armor or princess in white horse, no, na nakikita ko ito na darating sa life mo. This person here could be different culture or religion, pero ang ganda. Kasi ito yung klase ng worth it mong hinintay, no, at nung dumating na, at kapag dumating na, sobrang worth it din ang saya. Sobra-sobra. Wow, this is a smart and intelligent person here. Someone here na very strategic, no? At strong ang kanyang, detailed ang kanya ritong decision-making skills. And this is the type of person here na mapagkumbaba, no? Very grounded siya rito sa lupa. And this person is definitely giving me the vibe, no? Na sa'yo lang siya rito magiging seryoso at sincere po ang kanyang intention rito. No, Seven of Wands energy, this person here will definitely protect you, protect this relationship. Both of you will, I'm picking up that. And I'm seeing you achieving here something, no? Wherein meron kang magiging mga ka-competitors, no? Pwedeng trabaho na pwedeng tinitingnan mo rito, inaaya mo, tina-target mo na goal, no? Pero meron rin mga ibang taong naghahangad doon or gustong makuha yun. Pero definitely, you are manifesting that, so it's yours. Yan, no? Kasi nakikita ko rito, no? You believe that that position, that target goal is para yun sa'yo and it will be given to you, no? As, okay, with actions, prepare to receive. Diba? Yung nakikita natin dito. Also, we have here the Devil, Five of Swords energy. Someone's missing you, losing sleep right here. Okay, this is the person here who once offered his or her love for you, no? Maaaring binigyan ka niya ng emotional message, love letter, no? So, this person here tends to nakuha yun ng iba yung attention niya. So, pwedeng hindi nagkaroon ng kayo. So, pwedeng hindi naman talaga siya yung ex mo, no? Pwedeng nag-offer siya pero hindi naging kayo kasi may nakakuha ng ibang attention niya, no? So, ngayon, this person here misses your attention, no? Na-miss niya yung opportunity na to here with you. So, pwedeng hindi naging kayo, pero yun nga, no, naagaw ng iba yung attention niyo. Mabilis kasi makuha yung attention niya, nakikita ko rito, no? So, itong tao na to, no, iniisip at iisipin ka niya palalo, no, this love month, no? Kung may kadate ka ba ngayong Valentine's, no, sakit sa bangs. This person here, pwedeng long yung hair niya, but doesn't have to be this long. Okay? Or maaring yung hair niya is may color, but just like how this resonates, no? Para siya ritong, hindi siya makatulog, no? Nami-miss niya rito yung mga approaches mo sa kanya, no? Yung mga morning messages actually, yung pinaka nami-miss niya, parang, good morning, yung mga ganun, no? Hindi niya pa kasi yun na-experience yung maramdaman niya yun. Kaya lang kasi, ang problema sa kanya, parang non-committal siya eh. Hindi tuloy nagkaroon ng kayo kasi parang siyang kabuti, no? Hindi siya lumalabas bilang Knight of Wands, no? Pero madaling naagaw yung attention niya, yun yung nakita ko rito. Kaya hindi siya makatulog, no? Kasi gusto niyang i-offer ulit 'tong cup na 'to pero hindi na siya sigurado kung tatanggapin mo pa siya lalo na kung meron ka na ngayong ibang kausap at kasama, 'no. So, nakikita ko rito na maraming mga potential na mangyayaring magaganda sa'yo, Aquarius, 'no. Kitang-kita ko 'yan with the Sun right here and Three of Cups. So, maraming mga taong tutulong rito para mas maging successful ka pa plus talagang standing out rito 'no, very high spiritual yung person mo 'no, na naka-destined sa'yo ay talagang paparating na, yung iba nasa buhay mo na. Nakikita kong mas uunlad pang pamumuhay ninyo 'no, at nakikita ko na kayong dalawa 'no, hindi talaga malayo na maging wealthy or filthy rich kayong bongga 'no, Aquarius. Kaya kung sino man 'tong kadilima na 'to 'no, nakikita ko rito ang pangmatagalan at talagang long-term commitment 'to. Kasi napaka-mature ng approach ninyo sa relationship na 'to 'no, at saka sa life ninyong dalawa. True partnership talaga at may pagtutulungan dito sa pag-abot ng mga pangarap ng isa't isa, no? Nakikita ko rito na marami kayong plano na matutupad, no? At hindi magiging drawing. And what I love about this one is you feel that this person here is someone na never kang ibebetray at tatalikuran. I know you've been through a lot. The Empress is, someone na dumaan sa mabibigat na mga pagsubok sa buhay, and that is you, mahal. Pero whatever the case may be, you've got someone here on your side wherein nararamdaman mo na kahit anong mangyari, hindi ka niyang bibitiwan at tatalikuran dahil yan ang, okay, ang person rito, no, na kumokonek sa'yo, no, in a very spiritual level, no? Napaka-deep ng inyo ritong connection sa kanya, no? Na parang ramdam na ramdam mo na ito yung klase ng tao na parehas kayo rito ng hangarin at nararamdaman na parehas ninyo rito iingatan at, okay, mamahalin ang isa't isa. Yung iba, nakikita ko rito na kung married man kayo, I'm seeing a child coming into your life. No, that's very specific. So, maybe this is a good news this February 23rd, 2024. But for others of you, nakikita ko rito, no, na meron ditong new birth, new life for you. A lot of happiness right here. Okay? Yung iba nakikita ko rito, no, na kapag nagsama kayo, hindi kayo agad mabibigyan ng anak, pero darating yung time, no, divine timing will happen right here and both of you will, okay, have a child together. So, thank you so much, Aquarius. Claim this honey and sarang hayo love and light. Annyeong.